Here's where you can find the equalizer settings on your Realme phone or even Oppo phone and possibly OnePlus phones with the O Reality audio settings. To find the equalizer setting, go into the quick panel access, tap on the settings here, then go to where it says sound and vibration. As you enter here now, you'll see these different options. Then you'll go down until you see O Reality. From this section here, you'll need to make sure the audio is enabled, the O Reality audio is enabled, this one here. The only way this can be turned on is if you have a wireless Bluetooth earphones, speakers, or a connected audio device to your phone. Once you turn it on now, you have to go into the one that says music. Music is going to give you the equalizer customization right here, which gives you access to these here. If you switch it to another one, you'll notice there is no equalizer, but for this one, you'll see these right here where you can make changes to the equalizer settings. And that's it. Like and sub.